Hello everyone. So the video is about a headset coming from a very well-known company, Boat. It says sports version, and the package of this headsets look pretty good. The original price of this headset is let me zoom it. It's 4990, and I got it from Amazon for around 1300, 1299. So on the package it says enhanced with Qualcomm CSR 8635 chipset. The battery life is up to 8 hours non-stop workouts. So this is specially built for workout as it looks on the package. It also has some buttons, some multifunction buttons. The name of this model is IPX7, and it is sweat and waterproof. Also it says secure fit for high intensity movement. So while workout we move a lot, right? So it's a good fit. It won't come out of your ear, or no problem with that. Next thing is rugged design, built for extensive use. So yeah, as explained before, the same thing. So the reason I have bought this headset is the design of this headset. Look at the design, it looks pretty good, and it's the price is really cheap. The offer is very nice from Amazon. So the actual price is 5000 and I'm getting it for 1300, which is a very good offer. Also the reviews of this headset was good, so I thought of getting it. So let's just unbox it. There you go. So when I open the seals from here, there's a small ribbon to pull it out. So here is the package. Looks great. It comes with a nice box coming from Boat itself. So I'll just open this one. Give me a sec. So let me try to zoom and show you how exactly it looks. There you go. So the build quality, the plastic quality looks really amazing. I mean, it feels good. You can just feel it while touching it, that the material is really good. Also it's really lightweight, so people who are looking for lightweight headset, they can definitely go for this. And even the wire is tangle free. I'll use this headset for a while and let you know how it sounds. So thank you so much for your time.